Hey, what's up? This is your boy Louis right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to retrieve your contacts in case you deleted somebody by mistake. Okay, so let's say you deleted somebody 10 minutes ago, an hour ago, a week ago, a month ago, or even more than that. You can definitely go ahead and restore that contact. Okay, so the only thing you do is the following. You go ahead and go to that address right there, contacts.google.com. Once again, that's contacts.google.com. Make sure you do this on the browser that you have your contacts in. You're not going to want to just do this out there on any browser, because make sure you do it on the Gmail account that you have all of your contacts. And as you can see right here, I have 329. So the only thing you do is you go to this gear icon right here, which is the settings, and then you're going to want to click undo changes. But I'm going to go ahead and show you on a different browser, okay, because otherwise I have to blur out all of this for my security. Okay, so being on the contacts.google.com environment, the only thing you have to do is come over here. You see like that little gear icon, which is the settings menu, as you can read that right there. You click that, and then you're going to want to click undo changes. That's it. And then it's pretty self-explanatory right there. If you deleted somebody 10 minutes ago, you go ahead and click that, and then you go ahead and click undo. If you deleted somebody an hour ago, yesterday, a week ago, custom would be like, let's say if you deleted somebody 30 days ago, 60. You put the number of days, hours, you can just put 0, minutes, 0. And then you have to click undo. You see that it says working. Your contacts list will be restored back on how it was on, in my case, September 21st. Whenever you're watching this video, it'll definitely give you a different date. And that is it. I'm telling you, this works. I've tried it. So that'll do it for this tutorial. Make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you or not. Okay.